In today's digital age, AI-powered tools are in high demand across industries. Did you know that businesses leveraging AI tools are seeing up to 30% higher revenue growth than their competitors? Imagine tapping into this massive opportunity by learning how to use DeepSeek to make money. In this video, I'll show you 15 game-changing AI tools you can create with DeepSeek to solve real-world problems, attract paying customers, and build a profitable business. First, data analysis and visualization tools. Businesses today are overwhelmed with data, but often lack the tools to make sense of it. With DeepSeek, you can create intuitive data analysis and visualization tools that transform raw data into actionable insights. These tools can generate interactive dashboards, charts, and reports, enabling businesses to track key performance indicators, KPIs, in real time. For example, a retail company could use your tool to visualize sales trends and customer behavior. By offering a SaaS model, you can charge a monthly subscription fee for access to these dashboards. Premium features, such as advanced analytics or custom reporting, can be offered at higher price points. This tool is ideal for industries like e-commerce, finance, and healthcare, where data-driven decisions are critical. 2. Predictive analytics tools. Predictive analytics is a game changer for businesses looking to anticipate future trends and make proactive decisions. Using DeepSeek, you can build tools that forecast sales, predict customer churn, or assess risks with high accuracy. For instance, a logistics company could use your tool to predict demand and optimize inventory levels. These tools can be sold as standalone software or integrated into existing systems, with pricing based on the complexity of the models. Offering industry-specific versions, e.g., retail, healthcare, or finance, can help you target niche markets. By providing actionable predictions, your tool can help businesses save costs and increase revenue, making it a must-have for data-driven organizations. 3. Customer behavior analysis tools. Understanding customer behavior is essential for businesses to tailor their strategies and improve customer satisfaction. With DeepSeek, you can create tools that analyze customer data to identify buying patterns, preferences, and trends. For example, an e-commerce business could use your tool to segment customers and personalize marketing campaigns. These tools can be monetized through a subscription model, with tiered pricing based on the depth of analysis and features. Additional services, such as personalized marketing strategies or customer retention plans, can be offered as upsells. By helping businesses better understand their customers, your tool can drive higher engagement and loyalty, making it a valuable asset for any customer-centric organization. If you're excited about the potential of these tools and want to learn how to use DeepSeek to make money, don't just watch, take action. Pause this video right now, pick one tool idea that resonates with you, and start brainstorming how you can bring it to life. Need help? Drop a comment below with your favorite tool idea, and I'll give you personalized advice to get started. 4th, operational efficiency tools. Operational inefficiencies can cost businesses time and money, but DeepSeek can help solve this problem. You can build tools that analyze operational data to identify bottlenecks, streamline workflows, and automate repetitive tasks. For example, a manufacturing company could use your tool to optimize production schedules and reduce downtime. These tools can be sold as one-time purchases or through a subscription model, with ongoing support and updates as additional revenue streams. By improving efficiency, your tool can help businesses reduce costs and increase productivity, making it a worthwhile investment for industries like logistics, manufacturing, and healthcare. 5. Marketing optimization tools. Marketing teams are constantly looking for ways to maximize their return on investment, ROI. With DeepSeek, you can create tools that analyze campaign performance, identify the most effective channels, and optimize ad spend. For instance, a digital marketing agency could use your tool to track the ROI of social media campaigns and adjust strategies in real time. These tools can be monetized through a SaaS model, with premium features like A/B testing or competitor analysis available at higher tiers. By providing actionable insights, your tool can help businesses improve their marketing effectiveness and drive higher revenue. making it a must-have for marketing professionals. Here's the truth. 90% of businesses struggle to make sense of their data, leaving millions of dollars in untapped potential on the table. But what if you could give them the tools to unlock that potential? By learning how to use DeepSeek to make money, you can create AI-powered solutions that turn data chaos into actionable insights and get paid for it. Ready to learn how? Let's explore the next tool. Sixth, risk management tools. Risk is an inevitable part of business, but it can be managed effectively with the right tools. Using DeepSeek, you can build tools that analyze data to identify potential risks and provide mitigation strategies. For example, a financial institution could use your tool to monitor credit risk and detect fraudulent transactions. These tools can be sold as subscription-based services, with pricing based on the level of risk analysis and monitoring required. By helping businesses anticipate and mitigate risks, your tool can save them significant costs and protect their reputation, making it a valuable asset for industries like finance, insurance, and healthcare. 7. AI-powered customer support tools. Customer support is a critical touchpoint for businesses, but it can be resource-intensive. With DeepSeek, you can create AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants that provide instant, accurate responses to customer queries. For example, an e-commerce business could use your tool to handle common customer questions, freeing up human agents for more complex issues. These tools can be monetized through a licensing model, with customization and integration services offered as additional revenue streams. By improving response times and customer satisfaction, your tool can help businesses enhance their support operations and build stronger customer relationships. 8. Financial analysis tools. Financial data is complex, but DeepSeek can simplify it. You can build tools that analyze financial data to provide insights into revenue, expenses, and profitability. For instance, a small business could use your tool to track cash flow and forecast future financial performance. These tools can be sold as subscription-based services, with premium features like real-time financial monitoring available at higher tiers. By helping businesses make smarter financial decisions, your tool can improve their bottom line and ensure long-term sustainability, making it a valuable resource for finance teams and business owners. 9. HR analytics tools. Human resources is a data-rich field, but many organizations struggle to leverage it effectively. With DeepSeek, you can create tools that analyze employee data to provide insights into performance, engagement, and retention. For example, a recruitment agency could use your tool to identify top talent and predict employee turnover. These tools can be monetized through a subscription model, with additional services like employee engagement strategies offered as upsells. By helping businesses build stronger teams, your tool can improve productivity and reduce turnover, making it a must-have for HR departments and recruitment agencies. 10. Sustainability monitoring tools. Sustainability is a growing priority for businesses, but tracking progress can be challenging. With DeepSeek, you can build tools that analyze environmental data to provide insights into energy usage, carbon emissions, and waste reduction. For example, a manufacturing company could use your tool to monitor its carbon footprint and identify areas for improvement. These tools can be sold as subscription-based services, with industry-specific versions available for sectors like logistics, manufacturing, and retail. By helping businesses achieve their sustainability goals, your tool can enhance their reputation and reduce costs, making it a valuable investment for environmentally conscious organizations. 11th. Legal research tools. Legal professionals deal with vast amounts of data, but analyzing it can be time-consuming. With DeepSeek, you can create tools that analyze legal documents and case law to provide insights into compliance and risk assessment. For example, a law firm could use your tool to review contracts and identify potential risks. These tools can be monetized through a licensing model, with additional services like contract analysis offered as upsells. By streamlining legal research, your tool can save time and reduce costs, making it a valuable resource for legal professionals and compliance departments. 12th. R&D acceleration. Tools research and development is the backbone of innovation, but it can be slow and costly. With DeepSeek, you can build tools that analyze research data to identify trends and accelerate the R&D process. For example, a pharmaceutical company could use your tool to predict drug efficacy and optimize clinical trials. These tools can be sold as subscription-based services, with premium features like real-time research monitoring available at higher tiers. By speeding up the R&D process, your tool can help businesses bring innovative products to market faster, making it a must-have for research institutions and R&D departments. 13. Real-time analytics tools. In today's fast-paced world, real-time insights are crucial for making quick decisions. With DeepSeek, you can create tools that provide real-time data analysis and decision-making capabilities. For example, a retail business could use your tool to monitor sales and adjust pricing strategies in real time. These tools can be monetized through a subscription model, with industry-specific versions available for sectors like finance, retail, and logistics. By providing instant insights, your tool can help businesses stay ahead of the competition and respond to market changes quickly. 14. AI-powered product development tools. Product development is a complex process, but DeepSeek can simplify it. You can build tools that analyze product data to identify opportunities for AI integration and innovation. For example, a tech company could use your tool to develop AI-powered features for its products. These tools can be sold as one-time purchases or through a subscription model, with additional services like product testing and optimization offered as upsells. By helping businesses create smarter, more innovative products, your tool can drive higher customer satisfaction and revenue, making it a valuable resource for product development teams. 15th, educational tools. Education is evolving, and AI-powered tools are playing a key role. With DeepSeek, you can create tools that provide personalized learning recommendations and automated grading. For example, an e-learning platform could use your tool to tailor courses to individual students' needs. These tools can be monetized through a subscription model, with premium features like advanced analytics and reporting available at higher tiers. By improving the learning experience, your tool can help educational institutions and e-learning platforms deliver better outcomes, making it a must-have for the education sector. Now that you've seen the incredible potential of building AI-powered tools with DeepSeek, it's time to take the first step. Visit the link in the description to download my free guide on how to make money with DeepSeek. And if you're serious about making money with AI, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll be sharing more tips, tutorials, and success stories to help you on your journey. Let's build the future together.